A very good day to all of you folks. Welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Obake. On this channel, I bring you lifestyle vlogs based on my miscellaneous daily experiences. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you don't, oh well, please indulge in any case. Subscription is free, by the way, and your indulgence helps me keep creating more content. Please like the video and hit the notification bell to stay updated for when I upload new videos. Now, take a look at this. Hi everyone, we have just arrived at Bizana. Welcome to a start of a new vlog. I am doing Ezilalini content. This is going to be the longest vlog, but I'm going to break it into parts. I'm going to try to keep each video to be 30 minutes long. I might not do intro for others. I'll just do a voiceover. Uti, this is a continuation. Now I don't know how I'm going to do it, so please pardon me. Anyway, we've just arrived now. The time is 15:54. 15:54, and this is our luggage. But I'm just going to try to unpack. Yeah, welcome to a start of a new vlog. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I've even forgotten Babos Zanjani. Yo guys, hey, you're probably thinking, why in this emzini but Antolanga? Nance iqhiya bendiyithwele, but since I was putting on a jacket, it fell off. But I'm gonna remove my hair and then ndifumane iqhiya proper to put on, because le is silk, it keeps falling off. So yeah, I'm wondering why I almost went outside and then I could feel something off. Yeah, let me just get it clear. Okay, so this is me. Ne? I still need to set a tripod, but I think they're ready to take a shower dilale. Also, luckily sekuphekiwe uSimakoti uthe khona umngqusho ophekiwe nenyama. We did buy KFC, but hey sana jonga andisefani, but I'm gonna try to unpack what I can. Ending I was uyenza nzayenza ngomso. I think I'm gonna try to unpack with you guys because I bought some new items. If I don't unpack with you, but I'll show you what I bought. Hi everyone. We are in the Eastern Cape, Sisebizana. We arrived Izolo. I tried to do intro Izolo when we got here, but I'm not sure if like intro nzoyisebenzisa okanye if it even makes sense, because I know I was all over the place. And I even promised to show you guys izinto that I bought, but I just couldn't. Dependent without even unpacking some of the items that we bought. The only thing I managed to do yesterday was to unpack our clothes. So now I just want to take you guys through the item that I bought. In case I don't use that intro, guys, I did say that we just go to the Eastern Cape. I'm doing a vlog here says Lalini. I'm not sure how long the vlog is gonna be, but I'm going to try to cut it every time I get to 30 minutes. So I'm not sure how many parts this vlog, or rather this trip, as it is a trip, trip with you, but still up for a while. So I'm not sure about how long it's gonna be, what am I gonna be able to capture, because it's over busy. But every time I get to 30 minutes, I stop, and then we're going to part 1, part 2, depending on the capture. So this one is definitely a part 1 of this vlog if it ends up having parts. So let me show you what they're doing. Okay, by the way, I'm using a tripod today. Uluvo busy with the studio, so I'm using a tripod. So I know what that is. But anyway, so the first thing that I want to show you guys is a shoe rack. I got this shoe rack. I think this was the price, either $1.99 or $2.99, if I'm processing. But yeah, that's the first item. One thing that I forgot to buy, that I wanted to buy, a tablecloth for this table. I think I'm too soft. I wanted to get a tablecloth for this table, but it's fine. There'll still be a trip. So I'm just gonna take you guys through. I don't think I'll tell you guys the prices because everything does not have price tags and it is libeli prices because these are things that it is telling randomly. Like under a shop and buy something, I'll just buy something and yes, but we need it here. So I got this toilet paper holder. Also, that is why they're in different plastic bags because I bought them separate times. Also, when packing, okay, this is gonna be the last bag. I hope you get one like it because guys, I saw this, Yazi. I saw this thing, this wooden thing, and yes, come alive. Now when I saw this, I thought of my jewelry. I was like, yes, I'm like jewelry. I'm like my ring, my earrings. But then Lendo, yeah, it's for and that's the reason doing but in the incense sticks. These are incense sticks. So if nigga like to stick this like up. So I bought the chamomile one. Ngizaqale test. Ukubana inuka kanjani apha endlini. If it's something I don't like, then this is going to be for my earrings. But I want to use it for a purpose. So yeah, I got the chamomile flavor. I also got the this is lavender. So I got these two. I'm gonna try them. I got. I don't know why this is your upper because I'm not gonna be able to exercise. But this is a skipping rope, a jump rope here. But I don't think the one is while I'm here. Then you see what I got. A floss, I got those floss just for here. I also got toothpicks. I got these combs. I hope you have again. I got four combs. I also got this, and there's this one don't get suddenly, but you know what the idea that I have for this. Benifuna ukubeka I wonder if one joke so you guys can hear me. Benifuna ukubeka I diffuser here. I wanted to use this for a diffuser because I wanted to get one of those round trays as a coil, but I just couldn't find. I kept on going to Pep Home. I couldn't find. It was expensive for me. A Sheet Street, because the one that I have in Joburg, I got from Pep. So I went back to try and get another one. They're out of stock. So for now, I was like, let me just buy this. But they has a kitchen. I think it's a platter, mini platter, yes. Yes, a kitchen, but I think to put my candle and my diffuser for upper. It's gonna be either here. Yeah, I think it's gonna be nice tire. I think. Guys, and then there's this heavy bag over here. Nancy get in the diffuser. So we back up. And then I've got these for a shower. This for a shower. Also, I hope you record. Okay, good. Got this for shower. And I also got a foam bath, a shower gel from Pep. This is a Pep brand. The one that we use, I can't man. Obey got this. A mosquito room spray, right? Because I didn't buy this, and the next thing man up. Also, I did mention this, like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that clip. I didn't travel with Bay. I traveled with the kids here. Now he's coming, I think in the next 3 days. Yeah, I think in the next 3 days. Yeah, now he's joining us. And then I also got these lighters, 2 of them. I got a pack of matches. This is now when I go to Amazon, I just have one in my pocket. And the reason I bought the entire pack is because these things is lula. So I'm from so called. I got a body scrub. I think this one is gonna go to the shower because there's still one at bathing, so I'll just put this in the shower. Let's start with this. This is for Little Humans from Bath. Also now the one that he uses, I couldn't find. Oh yeah, lapali. I also got the thick bleach. This is for our bathroom. I almost thought it's for the big house, but no, I gave them izolo ezabo. I got our foam bath. So we've got a bath most in the shower, so that's why I would buy different things. Up at this side, we've got a bath in the shower. So I need for both sides. I got these diffuser refills, 3 of them, from Pep. It was 40 rand each. So this one, the Ocean Breeze flavor. This one is white floral. This one is lavender. Hey, you don't know what's in lavender. This one is lavender. I don't think I'm going to use all of them. It's the first time I'm going to try this Pep brand. What I'm going to do, is to let me just, this one is Ocean Breeze. I'm just going to open this one. Mixer, but I don't know. I've never done that before. Yeah, I want to mixer. What I'm going to do is just a bit of this one, a bit of this one, and a bit of this one. So I get some smell. That's what I'm going to do. I'll mix it up. I'm going to mix them into this. Yeah, as is guys, are not in order. Like I said, I bought different times. So now I will just keep on throwing them into this bag. I got this, where did I get this from? Pep. I got this from Pep for 30 rands. Well, other Pep can you see by Senjan to put a toothbrush and everything. But when they for my small coffee station there. But in Zalbon, they're and night containers. One of the other disadvantages about buying different times is sizes you don't remember what we're taking doing, but I will see. And I think I still have the receipt for Pep, so that if I need to return anything, I can just do that. I also got Protex. When you can get discount later on special, I think there's E5 or something. It protects for a bath. I got Little Human soap. I got myself some gloves for the koroba and and tintin. So yep, this goes that side. I got those toilet blocks and Mama this morning. Oh, 10 say Mama came here in the morning. Wabega A1 for our toilet. I think we forget because they gave her. Because I think I was still sleeping, so I think we forget because I didn't put it to Muslim. But remember this thing has these toilet blocks. So she gave us one, but yeah, it's fine. And then I got this is a hand lotion that for our basin, because the ones that we have are almost finished. And then this is a hand wash. And like I said, we are here for a while. So those ones are okay, especially Little Human. Now that he knows how to wash his hands, he makes use of those things. So I got, this is a different one to the one that we're using. Because I don't think Asia there's a corner. For some reason or two, the store will be empty. Most of the time, yes, it's been empty. I got, no man, I think I overdid this thing. Yeah, when I get, I don't take it no different. I got lemongrass oil. Now, because why would I have a diffuser, have lemongrass oil and still have this thing? I think I overdid this. But anyway, the time that it smells the lemongrass, and that's the it was winter time, they go up with a heater, so I forgot lemongrass by mixer with eucalyptus oil, also another smell. So since then, I've always been doing the same thing now. So what I do, the tata it's even worse when your heater is on. Okay, that's what I use it for, because I got a toothpaste for Little Human. You see now. I got these containers. I got this from Pep, 27 rand each. This is what I want to do. So in that 3 spaces, this thing. So it's like a 1, 2, 3. This is going to be for coffee, sugar, and tea. I want them for that. I think I bought 3. Number 2. And this is the third one. Guys, I'll show you. I got, this is also another thing. I bought 2 fabric softeners and I've just checked. 2-liter lane fabric softener is actually, so I think the last time I was here I refilled it and I bought those. So the thing about ukhlala in different places, you never really remember what you still have and what you don't have. I got a plastic 64-hour bin. I got a bed sheet. I hope it's a fitted. Okay, I got a fitted sheet from Pep. This was 160. This is for king because we've got that extra length, yeah. But yeah, I got. My phone is ringing. Okay, just got off a call. But yeah, in South Chocobana, I got those bed sheets. It was 160. I think the Kabile. And then the last bag. I want to make sure yeah, I think I'm almost done. The last bag, my favorite. I got myself some tea. I do have tea pie in Ngodo. Let me just show you. Plants, I do have tea. This one last I got the layers in these tea bags. I got tea here, but I wasn't sure. So it's a black container. That's why now I bought this container. Maybe I can put them nicely here. But yeah, I still have tea, but I was just so yeah, I got those ginger and turmeric tea. And then I got some coffee beans. I got this from Macro. And that's price. I got them from Macro. I'm gonna be trying these ones for the first time. I've used the other ones from Woolworths, but I haven't used those ones. I have tasted this brand though because I think it's this one. Which garage? Is it Total Garage? There's a garage or two that sells a House of Brand coffee, like your cappuccino. But I have tasted this before. Just like I'm not sure which option because obviously you get different options. So yeah. And then I bought myself this. This is a milk container. Guys, I think the coupe wash because I'm curious to know. I think also it worries me if my phone is ringing, it might stop recording. So I quickly want to check if is it ringing or just a message because imagine you ignore it and then the phone is not recording. So this is a milk container and I need to warm the milk. Put my spoon, yes, I'm putting it. Spoon. Then this is a sugar basin. Actually, yeah, this is a sugar basin. Cute, yes. And yes, funny enough, yeah, Belana lit this thing, yes. Wow. Yo, at least nothing broke. What is such because but this Bible, but this wooden theme, even though a Pep, guys, I'm gonna show you with Pep. Pep changed their this color. This thing. Let me show you the one that I bought the last time I was here. Let me show you. John, I just got it. Okay, so I bought this one the last time I was Sorry, I don't know why I'm moving that direction. I bought this one. That's here. Can you see the color? The color. As a safari. This one in a little orange. This one in and they tender. I like this one. This one was 23 rands. Lena, I use it for cotton wool. So they tender this. I actually like the shade, doesn't? But it's fine. It's wooden. It's fine. And funny enough, when I bought this, I wasn't even thinking about those ones. These take it separate. And you heard me first. I said this is sugar, coffee, tea. But then still I went ahead and bought this one. So buying much different. That's a disadvantage. You don't remember what you bought. So, and I don't remember how much the thing was. Then I got this one. This tea or coffee pot. Tea or coffee pot. This is how it looks like. You guys can see. Yeah. So this was 89 rands. That's why I bought it. It was not expensive. We have 89 rands. I think I look cool. So I said right now, that's why I had to do this unboxing because I need to make my coffee. So even more than anything. Yeah, I think. Yeah. So then they'll fire my coffee beans. They'll fire my coffee beans in this silver thing, and then I'll close that. Where's my coffee grinder? I think that's all. I think that's all. The grinder. So I came back with my coffee grinder. It's very easy to use, guys. I got it from Checkers. It was, how much was this? Was it $2.30? Ne? I think it was $2, but I think I separate you. So it's you charge this and then grind. Let me see if there's beans inside. There's just a little bit. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this over. There's just a little bit of beans. So let me just see the smell. Coffee smell. Let me see if I can show you guys how this thing works. It's very, as in don't, this is a good buy, I won't lie. So yeah, then it's grinding the coffee. I hope you guys can see. So Lena is portable. When I said that when you travel, that is the if you was squeeze your coffee. Like I don't know what is to plunge. Is it to plunge? Because you use a coffee plunger most. And the other 10 guys, but if coffee lovers will know, will understand what I'm trying to say. But yes, and this paper, so there you get your coffee. So that's why I'm gonna take long over this powder. And if I get up, I'm gonna take the powder, if I get up and galamans and then the coffee. Hey guys, why do you I'm gonna put the powder in here. And then the coffee is again. Now, because more than anything, that is what I wanted to do. Hence, in Bonisa. Hence, in Bonisa, these things. More than any. Okay, the other thing is, I decided to take my cup. This cup was given to us by our employer. I think it was it early this year for Wellness Day? Year end last year. I can't remember. But I went to put that, but it's cute too. So like up. Little human was using it. I don't know if you can see. But yeah guys, I am done for today. I'm not doing anything much today, so I'm not sure if condones a vlogger. But obviously nizawubona. most of the time, guys, you know how it is when I'm in the village, when I'm at home. I do not like keeping the original sound, because remember, there's other people, there's conversations happening. So please understand why I'll just play music, but you'll be seeing what I'm doing. Yeah, but and I know editing, because most of the time I'll edit at night. I can't do voiceover. So if it's just music, please just understand there's conversations happening in the background that are not supposed to be part of the vlog. So I have to respect that. And sometimes when I'm vlogging, the angles, because I don't want to be showing people that should not be in the vlog or don't want to be in the vlog, because I usually ask people, "Bana, do you mind?" Yeah, more. So when you see ongathi ngiyafihla, it's not about ndifihla what's happening, but I'm respecting that person's privacy or whatever. If ngiyafika uLittle Human is sitting here reading a book, but that book he doesn't want me to show that book. I might show you his face, but not the book. So please understand when there's those kind of dynamics. Okay, let me go have my coffee. I am about to make supper. Oh, okay, wait a moment.
Flower, okay, house.
I just happened to catch that on camera. Okay, as I was saying, I'm gonna make supper. Uluvo is gonna help me chop spinach, and then I've got these little ones helping me with amazambane. Someone just received a flower. Yes, Anna. And I caught that on camera. It's almost done. Umntu makaphoze negadi yakhe. Thank you. Zawusebenzisa for zawufaka apha kwispinach. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay guys, supper is ready. Yiplate katata le nibona igcweleyo. So nakhe nilinge, don't come for me nithi ye ndiyadlala, even if it was mine, I couldn't do wrong. But yeah, ndiyenze amazambane, ispinach, and then remember yesterday besithenge i-KFC, so khange sitye because besife phe kwemleqwa. So this is the KFC. Usimakoti ke uzohamba so that she can get all the blessings. And mazi uthi mandikuhambise because so that I can get the blessings. I'm like, asisi.
Dude, and they were like, you know, most abantu badala, when you give them food, they always like, God bless you. So like, why should I take your blessings?
Uzofika uzitransfere wethu. Okay, ndisaphaka mna, ndisaphaka. I just need to add inyama kwezi plate. Umama uyithathile yakhe yena, she's not having meat. And then it's just us. Good morning, everyone. It is another day. Oh my goodness, okay. I'm about to make oats. So I've added a bit of pink salt and cinnamon to my water. Then this is what I'm going to be using. Jungle oats, milk, sugar, a bit of stock, and then this will grate el apple and add up the oats. So yeah, let me make that voice, yeah. But anyway, succeed. Oats is ready. This is how I've put the diffuser. Already I can tell I don't like the smell of this incense thing. So I'm not gonna use it for long. So let me just see if I can. Yeah, that's how I don't know if you guys can see the smoke. There's a bit of smoke coming out of that, but now I don't like it, so I'm not gonna make use of it. And also I've just noticed this thing was 130. I see the price here. I'm just gonna have to remove that. But yeah, so this is what I did to this corner. I still need a tablecloth because shame Letafile has been through the most. The stains don't look so beautiful at all. Then on this corner, I've put beans, ne? Coffee beans, tea, like the not the individually packed tea bags, so just the loose tea bags. I don't know how you call them, but yeah, you guys can see those ones. I've put them there because the ones that are individually packed don't fit. So this will just be for this kind of tea bags. And then I also put the floss in here. I removed them from that plastic container because I can't put sugar. We already have a sugar basin, which I did show you guys. So yeah, this is how this one is gonna look in this small corner. Up now in the bedroom. So this is the mirror, as you guys can see here. So this candle also na inuka kamnandi, even though I haven't even opened up this plastic, inuka kamnandi. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and then I'll just put this hope thing here because I'm trying to have my dressing table as clean as possible. Yeah, but trying to have it as, I don't want to fill it up so that when I need to use it, I don't have to move things around. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. Yona. In the bathroom, so I've made use of this, as you can see now, and then I've put all our toiletries and clean detergents in this container because we don't have a cabinet in the bathroom. So I just put them all nicely here. There is a space for a bar soap here. I'm gonna put this here. Then in the shower, there's a body scrub, the gel, the shower gel, and then the one that's almost finished, and then just soap here. Yeah. So I'm closing this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like the video, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. I've already started part 2. You're gonna see this outfit in the next video after this. And the way I'm so lazy, there's my tripod. I'm not using it. Ndibambe ngesandla iphone, but yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. You take care. I love you so much. Mwah.